Hello. Welcome to CIA Corporation. This is a doppelganger survival video. Their characteristics include deformed or melted limbs. When he sees you, he'll stand still, watching you from a distance, and then start moving toward you. If they see you, they'll start chasing you. The recommended course of action is to run home, lock yourself in, and grab a firearm. In the last 48 hours, a family was attacked the early hours of Tuesday. Fortunately, the father had a shotgun in the house and managed to scare off the animal, so we asked the drawing of what the animal looked.